Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and we all know that today was King Charles III's coronation, and of course, Prince Louis Yawning at King Charles III's coronation is a total mood. Prince Louis stole the show with his adorable reaction during King Charles' coronation. Some of the comments are, he's like he is boring. His mother looks as if she's asleep with her eye open. Oh, I know this feeling. Church, child mood meeting. It's really a long, outdated, and boring ceremony. He's totally right. A nice, intimate lunch would have been such an effect. It's been said he is a bit naughty, just like Diana. Lovely, said Harry was. I'm sure William and Kate are already on this one. Won't walk that straight royal walk like they have to. He turned 5 a few weeks ago. He did well considering that. He did not steal the show. Jesus Christ, who blessed the entire coronation. The King of the Kings stole the show. This child always tried, but Kate looks so uncomfortable. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and also to leave a comment below. Thank you guys, and it was such a blessing day for the royal family, and congratulations. It was such a blessing that King Charles III was crowned, and it was his coronation with Queen Camilla. And Kate looked like she doesn't want to be there. They give the baby some biscuits. He has tired. This is me right now at work, okay? Harry's twin. Oh god, people are really giving some funny comments. Such a waste of time and resources. Oh god, what's this now? He woke up so early, or he never got a chance to get some sleep. He's a baby. Harry's twin. Kate looks bored himself. Kate looks like she's hot in all those garments. It's a boring. Prince Louis is the funniest of the family. That's true. He is very funny, and I would be yawning too, of course. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and also to leave a comment below. I'll be giving you more details. Love that kid. I also love that kid, by the way. He is such an amazing kid.